Hi everyone, this is Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome and Happy New Year! Okay, I have some happy mail I wanted to share with you. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas. Look how cute that is. This is from my aunt who lives in British Columbia, Canada. Thank you, Auntie. And look at this beautiful red truck. This is from Tracy. I love loopy crochet and treasures. Thank you so much, Tracy. And she wrote inside, love you bunches. I love you bunches too. And let's see, this one is from Christine is Crocheting. And she actually put a little gift inside, and I'll put a picture right here. Thank you so much, Christine. I appreciate that. And I'll be sure to link everyone who has a channel, so please go check them out. All right, thank you, Christine. And this one says Winter Wishes. This one is from Caroline. Her channel is Caroline Canadian Gal. She lives just outside the city of Winnipeg, where I live. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you to send this. Thank you. And I'll put a picture right here of what was inside the card. Thank you so much. And this one says Season's Greetings. Isn't that a beautiful tree? And I love blue. This is from our lovely Barbara Leanhard. Thank you so much, Barbara. I appreciate this. And this is the last happy mail. Thought you'd like these. Advent of Giving from your fellow Canadian, Antoinette. Hookin' and stitchin' island style. But look, these were made by Lisa from Ladybird Loves. This is Lisa's information. If you'd like to order something from her, I'll have her channel linked below. So let's take a look. Oh, I love this little bag. Thank you so much, Antoinette. That is so nice of you. Wow, I wasn't expecting this at all. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, they're all hooked together. Look at that. It's a cup and a spoon. Isn't that so cute? And this one here is that a Santa? That's a Santa, I think. And a reindeer. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And look at this one. Oh my goodness, look at this face. Oh my. That's a sheep. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And as some of you know, I do paper crafting, and I haven't done anything for, I don't know, a year, 2 years? I don't even know. It's been a long time. So this is the last day of 2023 when I'm showing you these. Well, I recorded these. So I decided to make some cards, and these are layered cards. So it all started with this one. Do you know who this one's going to be for? Take a guess in the comments. It says stay strong. And then I made this one for nobody in particular. The rest of these are going to be sent out randomly. She believed she could, so she did. And this one says, nothing can dim the light that shines from within. And that's a quote by Maya Angelou, or Angelo. Yes. This one says, my happy place. Faith, hope, and love. You are loved. Yeah, so I've been binge watching Treasure Books, the lovely Natasha. And I'll link her below as well. She had a video on how to layer junk journal covers. Then I started thinking, what about cards? Let me do some cards. Yeah. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you soon. The next video will be about crochet. All right, thanks guys. See you soon. Bye.